अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने मशरिक़ वस्ती में अमन के लिए तारीख़ी दिन करार देते हुए गजा अमन मुआहदे के बिल्कुल करीब पहुँचने का दावा कर दिया। इसराइली वज़ीर आज़म के साथ वाइट हाउस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अमरीकी सदर ने कहा कि इसराइली वज़ीर आज़म ने अमन मुआहदा तस्लीम कर लिया। अमन मुआहदे के लिए मशरिक़ वस्ती के ममालिक से मुकम्मल हिमायत भी हासिल है।
and in writing in many cases, but I actually would take their word for it. The people I mentioned, I'd take their word for it. To demilitarize Gaza, and that's quickly. Decommission the military capabilities of Hamas and all other terror organizations. Do that immediately. And we're relying on the countries that I named and others to deal with Hamas. And I'm hearing that Hamas wants to get this done too, and that's a good thing. Also help train local police forces in the areas that we're discussing right now, in particular in and around Gaza. Working with the new transitional authority in Gaza, all parties will agree on a timeline for Israeli forces to withdraw in phases. They'll be withdrawing in phases. No more shooting, hopefully. As progress is made toward achieving these goals, Arab and Muslim nations need to be allowed the chance to fulfill these commitments of dealing with Hamas. They have to deal with them because they were the one group that we have not dealt with. I haven't dealt with them.